Back at Project House. And look what flew out the front door today. A flying evaporator coil. There's the old coil out of the air handler. I wasn't gentle with it. I didn't have tubing cutters. Just look at this thing. It's disgusting. Now y'all can see why I'm not keeping it, because that is repulsive. It's the nastiest evaporator coil I've ever seen. Well, no, I've seen worse. That's them in there hammering on the furnace trying to get it off. But man, look at that. That is repulsive. And when this thing, when I launched this thing out the front door, a big old cloud of dirt. I opened the front door and just had my helper toss it out. The furnace doesn't look much better either. We go under the house here, you can see the line set, and the furnace is right where that pipe is back here. That's where Mr. Furnace is. They're trying to get it out now, but it's quite spacious under here. Well, we've all seen the video of this place getting moved in. But here's this nasty evaporator coil one more time. It's going to be donated to my scrap yard, or scrap trailer, scrap yard, whatever you want to call it. It doesn't smell good either. No expert, but there's probably mold in here and a bunch of other nasty stuff. Yep. Indoor coil. Coleman Evcon.